What's up everybody, it's Anthony with Atlantis Water Gardens, and let me show you this project that we are going to start. We are going to be demoing this pond and waterfall and putting in an 8x10 with a waterfall that's going to have 2 drops in it, and it's going to be about 3 feet deep. The skimmer is going somewhere over in this general area, and we're going to have a 2,500 biofalls tucked back in there behind the bushes to really help disguise it and make it look a little more natural. We have this nice beautiful patio that looks like it was put in fairly recently. We are going to be butting up the pond about a foot off the patio to really give it that interactive feeling, so that way it's really close to the patio. You could walk right up to it and you could look down and basically feed your fish, which is going to be super cool, super interactive. We love making interactive ponds. It just makes the homeowners want to come out here and enjoy these ponds so much more. So we're going to get started demoing this pond because we got a lot of work to do and only 2 days to do it. So let's get to work, guys. So one of the main reasons we're going to be rebuilding this pond is because the homeowner wants it to be a little closer to the patio and out from under the bushes, because you can't really see the waterfall that's actually there now. So even just coming back here, you could see that about halfway point of the pond is somewhere around here. And from there back, it's just canopied by bushes and everything else. Just look at all that stuff. All this stuff is just covering the side of the pond. And they have to leave it netted constantly because this tree drops a lot of stuff into the pond, and that just causes a lot of problems, a lot of debris. Skimmer gets jammed up, and it's a bad storm. So we are going to be taking this pond layout and we are going to be moving it essentially to the left and a couple inches closer to the patio, and we're going to try and retain this contour that the patio has with the pond, so that way we can get as close as possible to the patio.
So, like any construction project, once you start digging, you're not sure what you're gonna find. So what we found here is an entire cemented in coping wall. I mean, they really went above and beyond what was needed to build this pond. So we're gonna have to use our big boy tool and rip it apart. All right, so that was a little challenging to get that apart, but with the help of our little excavator and our MT, we broke apart all that concrete footing, pulled it out. We brought in about 2 yards of clean fill. Now we're basically filling in the pond so we can then compact it and dig it back out. So our shelves are gonna be 18 inches each, and then about 12 to 16 inches wide per width of this shelf. This way, if they wanted to put in some aquatic plants, they'd be able to do that. But we are shifting it this way and putting the new waterfall right over there. So as they're sitting on this patio here, it's just going to be trickling down. Not a huge waterfall, but 2 spillways into the pond, which is going to be a very nice, soothing sound. The art of building a waterfall and pond sometimes is a lot of put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out, spin it, twist it, fill it with gravel, put it back in the same spot, and then it works. So that's what Boley's doing here. Day 2 on this waterfall and pond rebuild. We have got a lot to do today to finish this on time. We've just put in our fish cave. We've got one more light to highlight the final spillway into the pond from the waterfall. We've got to rock the back edge, get some more soil bermed in around the backside and elevated for the waterfall, finish our edges, rinse it down, and then fire this up for the first time and show the customer, well, their new pond. So stay tuned. Water in the pond, that means we are rinsing this out. We are so close to finishing this one. Look at the work Boley has done once again with the waterfall, his moss work, plants taken from the property. They're native, they're going to continue growing and thriving because it's the same environment. Anthony looks great on the waterfall, but that stacked slate wall behind him looks even better. Check that out. That is going to be a nice clean sheet style waterfall into that very small pooling area and then right over the front of these two rocks here into the pond. This is going to be an awesome waterfall. These guys are going to love it. I can't wait to fill this up and turn it on and see what it looks like myself. Okay guys, this one is finished and I think you are absolutely gonna love it. I hope the homeowner does too. He just got home from work, so we are ready to reveal this to him. Wait till you see his reaction. You guys ready to see your new pond?
We're ready. Wow, that's fantastic. 100 times, 1,000 times better than I could have pictured it in my mind. That's amazing. You can see the fish clear. The work is beautiful. The whole area looks completely different. absolutely unbelievable. What do you think?
I think it definitely livens up the area and makes it look a lot better.
It's going to be nice to be able to sit out here with the fire pit, watch these guys swim around.
Yeah,
Outstanding.
Really nice.
Great job. Couldn't ask for anything better. I wasn't really sure what you were going to do. I just kind of had a basic idea, you know, what you guys were going to come and do, but actually seeing it done more than surpasses my expectations. This is beautiful. We're going to enjoy this for years.
These fish are absolutely loving their new place. They have got 3 feet of water to be swimming through, an awesome fish cave back there, crystal clear water. They are just swimming around, hoping that I've got some food for them. They've got hardy lilies over here. They've stretched all the way from the bottom and grown up to the top layer here. They're gonna continue to spread out and cover this whole corner over here. The waterfall is just absolutely perfect the way it's spilling out of the biofalls, a nice sheet style falls into a pooling area and right over the front of that weir. So this is the view, probably the best view for this pond at this house. Straight down from their deck, all the way down. You can see they've got awesome Adirondack chairs, a new fire pit to sit by. This is an awesome spot to hang out at night. This one was an awesome, awesome project. If you like this and want to see other jobs similar to this, join us every Friday. New videos drop. Hit that subscribe button. We'd love to see you. Let us know what you think in the comments as well, and we'll check you on the next one.